things about trading Forex is that you don't actually know exactly which trade is going to be a crazy winner or just another loss.
What's up, everybody? We are currently live.
Take away the weekly.
Trace back down to the confidence that price is going to be bullish.
Point sort of chasing the market. I was more than happy to stay flat.
Hello everyone. What the kangaroo tell?
Always recommend trading on the 5 minute.
Some of these exotic pairs in pretty steady uptrend, making these higher highs and higher.
Mostly trend following.
The stimulus in a certain way.
All right, let's get back to this. NASDAQ just consolidated after that W. What's up, Business Beyond? See if we can follow up with that nice scalp I took earlier. Took the buy off these candles, closed out right here. Hey, what's up, Avneet? Nice, Urchin. Urchin Bay. You got the buy-in on the consolidation. Already looks like some nice profits. We got that Bitcoin meeting going on. Bitcoin's about to do a huge bullish candle. Let me check this out. You got Bitcoin, hourly, third trend line touch, kangaroo tail with bullish divergence, plus Congress meeting. Bitcoin to test 60Ks. That's my prediction. Final Bitcoin pump coming soon. Let's see if NASDAQ is just going to bounce off these zones. Probably not going to be using Henko Trade after today. Don't use Henko Trade if you scalp. They suck ass. Literally tried to close a trade out earlier. I click close. The thing spun for about 10 to 15 seconds. So I highly recommend do not use Henko Trade to scalp. It's not good. I can't have a 10-second delay in closing a quick scalp, you know. That's pure manipulation. When you try to close out a trade and you're scalping and a broker doesn't close it for 10 to 15 seconds, you know that's manipulated. Might be looking for sells if you make new lows. If we bust down here, ooh, that's a big move too. If we go down on the next zone, that's at least 1,500 pips. Come on, NASDAQ, give us something. Only thing we got is support and resistance right now. Check maybe check the 15-minute or 5-minute. 5-minute NASDAQ. Unless it's just gonna be a choppy day. But I'm really curious to see if that Bitcoin meeting is on YouTube though. Let's see. Congress crypto meeting. We might have to listen to a little bit of it.
And other federal agencies like the FDIC and NCUA have announced requests for information from the digital assets industry.
Why do we got this clown running the show for crypto, yo? Or heading the meeting for crypto? Yeah, be hard. You can only notice it on the 1 minute. 1 minute scalping. Nah, I can't. She's probably just saying a bunch of boring stuff. Whatever she says is going to make crypto go up. If she mentions anything about banning, I think she's going to make a frenzy happen. So look, we got Bitcoin ready to launch. It's ready to launch right now during this meeting. I'm so ready to sell all my crypto, though. I'm going to be so relieved getting out of all of it in 2 weeks. Here's Bitcoin on the 5-minute chart. Wait a minute. Why don't I just pull up Bitcoin and enter a Bitcoin trade? I know it's gonna go up, so I'm gonna enter a Bitcoin buy. See how much margin. So if I do $100, I need 0.27. Let's see, 0.2. And 2 microlots. Yeah. Hey, what's going on, Alvin? Thanks for tuning in here. Looking at this little bit of resistance. I think I'll wait for a little bit of drop and then buy Bitcoin right now. Yep. I'll risk 50 on this. We'll go for 200. We'll go for like 2 hours. 4 hours, I mean. We'll go for 4 hours. Check that in a little bit. Back to NASDAQ. A $10 commission. $10 commission for 2 mini lots. Hanko trade ain't winning any points from me today. $10 commission for 2 mini lots. Like, come on. Taking all my money off Hanko trade today. All 8,000. That means these guys want to charge $100 for a standard lot on Bitcoin. Too expensive. Way too expensive. Oh, you got that. All right. Here, hand that to me.
My hands are sticky. I'm sorry.
All right. NASDAQ. Come on, give us something. Give us like a decent trade we could do. Let me know if any of you see something that I don't see. It happens. See a trend line, possible trend line. But I guess we're just waiting for a breakout, honestly, right? Which way is it going to break out? I'm kind of leaning on that we're going to drop down to here. Just look at all these wicks. Now, right now, the chart is telling me it's following a trend line and a possible drop is coming. But as I say that, we see a green candle. We see a green candle. The fuck is all that? It's got syrup. We just need a nice little green candle here. All thanks to Maxine Waters. See what they're talking about. Hold on. Can't hear.
USDC is helping to pave the way for digital dollars to be the leading currency of the internet. Stablecoins got started as a dollar settlement layer for digital asset trading markets. Their use in everyday payments is expanding rapidly. Just in the past several weeks, Circle has signed on institutional customers who are using these services for small business payments, international remittances, and efficient payments for remote workers. Soon, we believe that dollars on the internet will be as efficient and widely available as text messages and email. As the recent President's Working Group report on stablecoins highlighted, not all of these payment instruments are created equal. But by the same token, not all of
We're
them
going up.
have an
We're going up, Bitcoin.
In our case, we have prioritized building, designing, and guarding the prudential standards for USDC inside of and
Come on.
prevailing
Keep talking, Mr. Allaire. Keep talking. Come on, buddy.
This approach has helped USDC to reach over 40 billion in circulation and has powered more than
Who bought Bitcoin with me? Who bought it with me?
The reserves backing USDC are held in the care, custody, and control of the U.S. regulated banking system. These are strictly held in cash and short-duration U.S. government treasuries, and we have consistently reported on the status of these reserves and their sufficiency to meet demands for USDC outstanding with third-party attestations from a leading global accounting firm. With this growth comes an increasing responsibility to foster financial inclusion. To that end, we aim to deploy cash deposits across the country where we will allocate a share of USDC reserves, hopefully accruing to billions of dollars over time, to minority depository institutions and community banks as a way of improving their balance sheets, but also ensuring that the future of payments and banking is more inclusive than the past. The President's Working Group report on stablecoins has put forward a set of recommendations for establishing national regulatory supervision of firms such as Circle. We support this effort and believe there can be strong, nonpartisan support for the appropriate federal supervision of this highly strategic payments infrastructure. Well prior to the President's Working Group report, we announced our plans to pursue a national banking charter from the OCC, and we continue prioritizing active engagement with all of the relevant federal and state banking regulators. There's much work to do in defining
NASDAQ, possible sell, eh? Possible sell coming in 1 second. Okay, no, I thought that was going to be a kangaroo tail. This blue line, by the way, guys, that's just the open price if you didn't know. Well, some of you this might be setting up for like a quick 2 hours. It might be a sell. Get ready. Candle close 1 second. Definitely a kangaroo tail. Okay, guys, I'm going to put the sell in NASDAQ. I'm going to go for 2 Rs. Summer 75 for 150. We want minimum 150. There we go. So let's go for 2 Rs. I'm in the trade. We are at a little bit of resistance, but we also do got the chance. It could just shoot up and make new highs, you know? So we need a nice red candle. That would be pretty sweet. Looks like Bitcoin's going back down. Well, that's why I think it's best that we only go for like 2 hours, maybe even 1.5 hour on this. But I like this because it gives us a small stop loss, you know? We don't got to risk too big. Yeah, honestly, on this trade, you don't even need to go for 2 hours. You can go for like 1.5 would be fine. I do suggest reducing some stops. It should just smash. Let's fucking go! Let's go! Just like that. Just like that. 2 hours. That's all we need. We don't need the big 1,000 pip fucking trade. We just need the quick 2 hours, you know? Good job there. Let's fucking go. That feels good. That feels good. That was a perfect markup. We waited. We were patient. Small stop loss. Candles consolidated. See, look, that's why you don't go for 4 or 5 hours here. You see price already going up. Just take your trade, find the next setup. Done that. Just made 150 in how many minutes? Yeah, I made 150 in 3 minutes. Now, let's see how Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin's not doing good. Damn it, Bitcoin! There must not be good news.
We have many licenses globally. Here in the United States, we are regulated by states under the Money Service Business and Money Transmitting regime, and we are regulated nationally by the CFTC, where we have a DCO, a DCM, a swap execution facility, and other licensure. We strive to conduct all of our business on a transparent, regulated manner. I think that it is coming, and I think it is important, and I think it is healthy that the industry will be regulated. I think it is also already regulated in a number of ways. I think that there are points that need to be addressed to give oversight of various aspects of the industry that do not have sufficient oversight right now. And I also think that it is important to do so in a reasonable and common sense way that understands the industry. I'm happy to answer any of your questions.
Thank you very much, Mr. Bankman-Fried. Mr. Brooks, you are now recognized for 5 minutes to present your oral testimony.
Thank you, Chairwoman Waters, and Ranking Member McHenry and members of the committee. Thank you very much for having me here today to talk about digital assets and the future of finance. The topic is an important one for anyone who cares about American competitiveness in the financial services sector. A financial ecosystem that empowers users over bank CEOs and other powerful central decision makers. And the next iteration of the internet.
Shada, you entered the buy on that bottom already, or for Bitcoin?
I am CEO of Bitfury Group, a company that provides a suite of infrastructure products and services that support various aspects of the cryptocurrency ecosystem, an ecosystem many of us today refer to as Web3, since crypto assets generally represent either the rewards paid to participants for maintaining a particular decentralized network, or an app that operates on such a network.
We need a rally like this on Bitcoin right now for this trade to win. Will we get there? Got my stop loss below the most recent lows.
Along the way, Bitfury developed a series of adjacent businesses to make crypto assets safe.
Got you, Shada, gotcha.
Our various businesses include LiquidStack, one of the world's largest immersion cooling systems, focused on reducing the energy used in Bitcoin mining and other high-performance data centers by as much as 90%. Crystal, a blockchain analytics company that provides transaction monitoring and related compliance tools.
If we see Bitcoin make new highs pretty soon, right here, I think I'm going to hit my TP. We're risking 50 on this Bitcoin buy for 200. Nice, nice. You got your quick scalp in too, Shada?
More sense to bring them inside the system precisely so that they can be supervised and operated with appropriate levels of risk management.
Yeah, I could see some good scalp setups, especially. I mean, you can get in with super small stop. Yep. Boom. Take the quick scalp.
The largest issuers of stablecoins. That would, after all, bring stablecoin activity within the ambit of an existing national bank supervision system with which we're all familiar. Or does it make sense to bring enforcement actions challenging certain crypto assets as unregistered securities, but then fail to allow those assets to be registered and trade on a national securities exchange, subject to supervision by FINRA and the SEC? Second, Americans deserve to know what our national policy is for a decentralized Web3 powered by crypto assets. Treating crypto as a single unitary activity whose main feature is a need for financial regulation would be like treating the original internet in the 1990s as primarily a tax policy issue. We didn't do that then. What we had in the 1990s with respect to Web 1 that we lacked.
Damn, this guy is owning them. I don't know if you guys can hear him.
National policy predicated first on the notion of do no harm to the emerging network. Today, instead of focusing only on micro questions, such as whether a particular token is a security or whether a particular exchange-traded fund may be offered, it would be worthwhile for the elected branches of government to grapple with the bigger questions, such as, do we believe a user-controlled decentralized internet is better than an internet largely controlled by 5 big companies? Do we believe that the financial services sector is any less subject to network effects than the information and commerce were in earlier iterations of the internet? Do we trust big banks more or open source software more as a tool for maintaining ledgers of account and allocating credit and capital? Can we recognize the difference between crypto projects failing for lack of demand, just as many publicly traded companies fail, and the difference between individual crypto projects actually being scams unworthy of being presented to the fair but sometimes harsh judgment of markets? Third, crypto policy should take into account not only any new risks introduced into the system, but also the risk in the present system that are solved by decentralization. Having issued almost $1 billion in civil money penalties against banks and bank executives during my tenure leading the Office of the Controller of the Currency, it is clear to me that the present financial system has plenty of examples of risks and costs and safety and soundness problems that are being addressed in the current
Bitcoin ain't moving.
Shouldn't we take seriously the possibility that algorithms and open source software that take a measure of human error, greed, negligence, fraud, and bias out of the system might actually make the system better on net, even if there are some new risks being presented that need to be understood and regulated? Apart from those 3 overarching considerations, I'd like to very quickly make 2 points.
Oh boy.
One relates to the effect of U.S. crypto regulation on American competitiveness in both the technology and capital market.
You know, honestly, I think the time to buy Bitcoin was before the news. Because right now it's just super stiff. Hold on, we got an alert. What do we got? Where's my alert? On the 1 minute or what? Shit, where are we at? Oh, yep. 1 minute. 1 minute. It might be a buy right now. Hold on. Bye. If I can hurry. Get a buy. We do got divergence on this too, so there is bullish divergence. I would not look for a big trade again. 2 hours is fine here. You don't need anything big here. I'm gonna stop at 80. If it does go down like halfway, I will close out manually down 40. I only want the instant jump up. But right here, this rocket emoji lets us know there's already divergence. We don't even need to look at the oscillator. I programmed that shit. Come on, we got the divergence, so we might get a small pop up. We'll go for 100 actually. We'll go for $100. I'm gonna break even that. I'm gonna break even on it. Do you want to get the push up? Get the push up? Get it. Nope. No. Damn it. Didn't have enough momentum. Fuck. But we make $2 on it. All right, let's try again. We made $2 on it. We shall try again. It was a hell of a try. God damn, I'm going to lose Bitcoin. Unfortunately. We're going to lose that trade. Fuck. I should have known better. I bought Bitcoin like a noob, and I'm going to lose that trade. I shouldn't have bought. I knew it. Deep down inside, I was like, it's probably going to come down, isn't it? Oh, yeah, I think the excitement of the news is over. It was these little two waves here. News started, went absolutely dead. Now we're going to go down. It makes sense. I should take my 43 loss right now. Fuck, I knew I should have sold on my Bitcoin 2 weeks ago. I sold my Gala.
For a number of examples of
Many others. We help financial institutions provide their clients with reliable, regular.
No, fuck it. Horrible buy, guys. Don't ever fucking buy things after the news already happened. Buy it before. You buy it before, and I didn't. I bought it like a noob. Bad trade there. Bad trade. Henko trade, but I don't recommend them. Don't use Henko trade. Their scalp closer really sus. Took a 15-second delay on a trade I tried to close earlier and lost double than what I wanted to lose. And it's not my connection. It's not my connection. I'll even check my shit right now. Yeah, I run fiber internet, so there's no excuse for a broker to take 15 seconds to close a trade. 438 megabyte upload speed. Bye-bye, Bitcoin. You're not going up. There is a trend line on NASDAQ being developed. Wow, what happened to NASDAQ? Bye-bye. Imagine if we had held that trade, we'd probably be up like 400 or 500. I think I'm going to try to scalp NASDAQ right here. I'm going to try to do a scalp, guys. It's going to be a fast one, too. It's going to be a fast one. Rejection right away off of new lows. No, it looks like it has not breached new lows yet. Has not. Oh shit, we got a bullish divergence too. Just noticed that. Looks like bullish divergence from up here. Yeah. Bullish divergence going up back off the trend line. It's actually a scalp buy. If it goes 50 drawdown, I will close. But I think it's a quick scalp buy real quick. Bullish divergence might get one more green candle and that TP. If it goes down $50 drawdown, I'm going to close. All right, I will put a stop in now. An official stop. All right, official stop is just $30. TP is 100. A bot because of the bullish divergence, and I see a possible maybe fourth touch on the trend line or third. Let's go give us $100. It's actually at 96. I don't know why, but I think it's actually going to retouch up here. Kind of want to let it run, do that TP. Let it run. I don't know why, but I think it's going to break that trend line. Oh shit, we do got a 5-minute kangaroo tail too. My TP is the open. This is the open price, 16,330. 16,330. We're going up. We're going up. That kangaroo tail is the low of the morning. It's only 450 pips away too. You say take money, eh? I'm only risking 32 though. I'll take 100. That's what I'll take. $100. If it goes up, we're up 50. Hey, good morning, Tony. Shit. I think our luck's running out now. King of Retail just printed there. King of Retail. All right, that's my last trade of the morning, guys. That was my last trade of the morning. We got some Call of Duty Warzone to play here too. In an hour. An hour, the new Warzone game comes out. That's what I do after I trade. I play Call of Duty. We play Warzone. We rage. Yep. All right, guys. We're going to close the stream down now. That's all I have for you guys this morning. I'm going to go make some early breakfast. I'm hungry. We made a couple good scalps today, but could have been better. But overall, profitable day. Up 200. $200 day, guys.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching today's stream. I hope you got a lot of value out of it. And hey, before you go, make sure to check out our guest on social media, as well as subscribe to the A1 Trading YouTube channel for more free trading content throughout the week. Before we go, I do also want to say down below in the description, there's all sorts of great perks for you if you're looking for a broker. We've got some recommended brokers. We've also got a Telegram channel and email newsletter that you would probably benefit from if you're an aspiring trader. So take advantage of some of that free stuff down below. It will also help out the channel tremendously, and we will see you back tomorrow.